Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. I want to offer my appreciation to you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. All right, let's get started. You have Two of Cups as the overall energy. This is reconciliation. You could be you and your partner could be on the same page about something here, mutual agreement about something. This could be a friendship, doesn't have to be a relationship. This can be contracts that you're signing, but there may be some type of delays and frustrations with that. For some of you, someone has cut off communications here, and you wanting to close out this cycle. Yeah, someone may want to reconcile with you within the next 48. Yeah, let's see. We have Temperance, Five of Wands, Ten of Swords, the person you're dealing with, Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Cups, how you're handling the situation, Nine of Pentacles. We have the High Priestess and King of Wands. King of Swords on Wednesday. King of Cups. You have three kings. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles in reverse though. Someone took too long. Six of Swords. All right. Your overall energy is financial constraints. Thinking woman. And daughter value. I feel like you guys are not doing so well financially, and you are thinking about your finances and career here. There may be some good news that comes in about it. All right, you could be dealing with this air sign that's going to help you with that. All right, we have Temperance. There's some type of someone may want to reconcile here. For some of you, they may be coming back around. And they're going to bring some type of drama. But I feel like one of you are going to keep calm in a stressful situation. Some of you, there's a lot of conflict with others. People that are around you here. If this is work, you may be putting too high expectations on someone, this group of people. Or someone may be putting high expectations on you. Someone needs to cooperate here. Someone wants someone to cooperate, to compromise in a situation. The person you're dealing with, I feel like they're not putting in any work, any effort into this thing. They are done. This person may be feeling defeated. They may be going through some type of harsh circumstances. They may not even be working. They may feel like they're at a dead-end job or something like that. But this person may say something that that you are not putting in any work when it comes to something. Or they're done. They don't feel like it's going to work out or something like that. This person may be exhausted from working too much. How you're handling the situation, you're opening up, you're communicating that you are wanting your independence, or you are single here. You're doing good. You're happy being single. You may be withdrawing because you may feel like someone is being selfish in this situation. I always think this person here is selfish. You see how he's drinking up all whatever's in that cup, and everybody else, there's two people down there want something. They want some. They thirsty and he drinking up everything. So you could be communicating that someone is withdrawing and they're very selfish here about something. How you're handling, I mean, the possible outcome is, I feel like someone is still going to be determined here. They're still going to take action. They're just going to keep silent and withdraw and reflect. Okay, you have 3 kings. Some of you may be offered a promotion of some sort. But I feel like it's going to come to a complete halt and you're going to have to move on here, Aquarius. You could be dealing with 3 people. But I feel like there's a decision or some type of truth is going to come out. And your advice is to put something to a halt and just move on. All right. You could be dealing with an authority figure. Someone may have took too long to make, to resolve an issue. They may have took too long. Something came to a halt. So you're going to have to move on. Let's see. 6 of Swords. Yeah. You're going to have to I feel like there's a new offer. Someone may apologize. They may try to they're going to be opening up about how they feel. But they're going to be communicating that they need to take a break or think about something here. Think about this offer in order to make things better. All right, let's see what your advice for Aquarius. 2 of Wands. Make a decision here. Be bold here. Your work is about to get more smoother, all right, when it comes to work. I feel like you need to keep your eye on the prize and take charge of your life and move forward, all right? Let go of things that no longer serve you. Embrace new opportunities. Stop trying to control the outcome. Accept the changes that's happening and move on, okay? All right, Aquarius, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And to the ones who already have, thank you guys. Love you. Toodles.